College of Teachers Education CTE Postgraduate Teachers PGT kepada Khlem ai jinghikai ban pentebet yaki samla yaki noihikai hakabai dei bat kam hikai kalau pli perdai yak jingdap henru postnam lani ka Diamond Jubilee jongka hak arpre tari unai lur arja arpulai yakni ka jing rakhi Jubilee lawan ban pli perda da menteri ubade khmi katanat puli puthi Rakkam A Sangma haringkat ka jingadon lang uba Himalaya sangpliang u advisor jong sarkar jela ka Vice Principal jong college ka Dr. M. A. Kyrwoh uba WL Lingdo u President ka Governing Body ki Professor ki nohikai bat ki weki haba ajing kran kumukong san ha kani gasngi na kalyang u Rakkam A Sangma ula kentu yaki samla puli bat kumjuru yaki nongket kam bagi dai bandon ka jingkitkhlieh haba le yak nu ka kam namar ka diploma lani ka nu ka certificate ni ka kyrdan ka baki yo Khlem dadon ka jingkitkhlieh ba ka jingaiti kanom ai jing mentoi.
As a government, we will certainly look into the matter. We understand the issues, and with Madam Principal, we were just discussing how to improve, how to make things happen for the greater, better of our people. Yes, training is important. Yes, training is important. But to me, as a layman, I want to give a little opinion from my side that the responsibility and the commitment is far better than the diploma and the certificate. You can do great things without a diploma, without a certificate. But it matters what is your commitment, what is your responsibility. Therefore, as faculty members, as students, let us remind ourselves, it is my responsibility, it is my commitment which will give the best result in my assignment. Let us not only work till 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. To see the better result, we should work beyond 5 p.m. We should work beyond the boundary of our assignment. If we look at the data, about 43%, about 18,000 teachers are not trained in the state. Who will train? Because we have the limited, because of all these norms. So we will find a way to request the NCTE, if possible, to change some guideline to strict like a state. We have to move forward to find a way, because any policy which doesn't serve the purpose is not the best policy. The government, we frame the policy based on the requirement that will suit the environment to any community, to any state.
Nakalyang Dr. B. Tron kala batay lengkot halor ki mau jam ba kani ka college kala jam bat halor ka jingyat lanti jong kani ka college bat nakalyang uba Himalaya sangpliang ulakran halor ka jing mentoy ka baki pat ba kin yo ling ba ka jing start science ka bakam thamai ka artificial intelligence.
The postgraduate training college was set up as a co-educational teacher education institution, and 1/3 of the total roll strength consisted of women, and a little more than 65% of the entire body of students were teachers already in service. The trainees who took admission also included candidates from the defense personnel stationed in Shillong from the Army and Air Force, and also from almost every Indian state of the Indian Union. Now when it comes to enrollment, it is encouraging to share that the classes started with 200 students, and with time the enrollment rose to a population of 350 to almost 450 students who were organized into both morning and day shifts. However, owing to NCTE guidelines, the enrollment got reduced to 100 students in a single day shift, and this resulted in a demographic change in the size, structure and composition of student teachers. From 2015, with the introduction of the semester system, and again as per the NCTE guidelines, the intake got further reduced to 50 students per basic unit, and we are still continuing with this total strength of 50 students.